you know what? Mawawalan na si ate nyo ng trabaho.
What? What is it?
My new car.
Are you sure that's the one?
This one's mine. This one.
That's not yours.
It's the.
Try this one.
Yeah, this one. Is
Which
this
one do
my
you want?
car, Mama?
Is this my car,
Yeah,
Mama?
this is my car.
You like it?
I love it, Mommy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, I think you look great in. Besides nothing. You know, I think you look great in. 18 karat gold.
Yes. Oh, 18 karat gold. Mine all. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday Eve. So it is Thursday today and it's currently 5 o'clock. As you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa office. And nag-start ako ng vlog kasi kakaalis lang ng aming mga colleagues. Ito na lang siyang naiwan. Ito na lang siyang naiwan. Ayan. So we just, we took all the laptops and all. Ay, hindi pa pala siya. Ako, nakalabas na ang aking laptop para uuwi na tayo. Ay, hindi pala, nilabas ko to siya guys kasi kakatapos ko lang din mating. Mating? Mating? Uy, uy, hindi naman mate. Have a look at my Vaseline. Ayan. So, nakakatapos ko lang mag-training guys sa aking kasamahan sa Sydney. Kasi, you know what? Mawawalan na si ate nyo ng trabaho. Well, no, I'm stuck. Fired! Hindi. Kasi nga, diba guys, we are having our little baby very soon. And it means na mommy has to stop working. And yung maternity leave, guys, it has to start 6 weeks before the due date. So, yung 6 weeks will start next week. So, ibig sabihin, last week ko na lang next week for my work here. Kasi mommy will go on maternity leave. And 12 months leave. Wala nang trabaho si mommy. Paano na lang ang ating bills? Can you pay my bills, please? Can you pay my bills? Can I send you my bills and you pay for it?
You pay mine? Swap.
No, yours is more expensive. No. But yeah, kaya kailangan kong ng training and all para yung mga ginagawa ko alam na ng aking mga kaibigan sa trabaho para magawa nila yung work ko while I'm gone.
Kaibigan? Or kaibigan?
Kaibigan. But yeah, they're going to get like replacement sa akin.
Here?
Pero hindi dito sa Melbourne.
Oh,
yeah.
Good.
Siya na lang yung admin na maiiwan dito, guys. Sa Melbourne, kawawa naman to siya, eh.
Fine.
Are you sad I'm going?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you have to think about it. Seriously?
Forcefully.
Ayan. Yung kukunin nila na replacement is sa Sydney. Kasi nga, diba, yung main talaga namin ay sa Sydney. So, nandun lahat yung mga tao. But yeah, I am a bit sad that I'm going. Kasi, you know, even though mahirap sa trabaho, busy, nakaka-stress minsan, but it's good to have, you know, parang ilo-look forward monthly. Yung sweldo mo, ganon. Ganon. Wala nang ano na naman ako nito, te. Like last time. I always receive, when I was on maternity leave in Paris, I always receive this notifications sa phone ko na, your payslip is ready. Open $0. But yeah, nung nag-maternity leave ako kay Paris, guys, I was away for 13 months. Yes, 13 months bago ako bumalik. Normally, yung ginagawa nila kasi dito is 12 months. 12 months maternity leave. They will keep your job for you. And yeah.
Oh, really? What after that?
Huh?
What happened after that?
I don't know. It depends on the company, Judoy. Like here, dito sa kumpanyang to, I'm pretty confident that I'll always have a job when I come back. If I come back, that's the thing.
Don't put it there.
Wait, madunggan to nila guys. Oh my. surveillance.
Yeah, they do lip reading, but yeah,
Yeah.
they lip read.
They what?
They read your lips.
Yeah. Lip reading?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go now. Have a look outside. Oh, it's dark outside. Here's our new car there. Diyan natin pinark. Yung car ng ating bestie ay diyan nakapasok diyan sa car park na yan kasi sosyalan yan siya. Baka. Ayan. And where are we going now? Where are we going now? So, ano pa guys, dapat sana aalis kami mga 5:30. But then, it's Thursday and we decided na saan tayo pupunta?
We're going to. What's the thing? The Glen.
The
Is that the
Glen.
Glen?
Yeah, the
Oh,
Glen
Glen.
Shopping Center. Mag-shopping kasi ating bestie. Samahan ko siya ako tigbitbit. So now, we're gonna go pick up Paris from school and then we go straight to the Glen. We'll go have a look kasi late silang mag-close tonight. It is cold. Late silang mag-close kasi Thursdays they're open till 9 o'clock. So we'll go see Paris now. See you later, guys.
Bye. I'll see you at the Glen. Look at my work.
A few moments later.
Alright.
What's this now?
Alright.
Are you excited to see Tito run? Where's your bag?
Wow.
Put this in your bag.
Here.
Who's that?
Show Tito, what is that?
Elsa.
Elsa and?
Anna.
Should we close it?
Anna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
How's your day today?
Good.
Good? That's good. Are you happy to see Tito run? Where are we going?
Where are we?
Ask Tito run. Ask
Where do
Tito
you want to
run.
go?
No, what the one in the car? Drive.
Huh?
How baby drive? It's funny.
Where do you want to go?
Come on, have to go.
Where do you want to go? You have to tell Tito run.
Mommy, I just want to go. I want to go in the car.
Are we gonna go to the shops? What did you change your? Did you get wet?
Yeah,
Why? What did you do?
the red one, the Mickey Mouse one.
The Mickey Mouse one is there. What did you do? Why did you get wet?
I always eat the soup and bread.
Okay, did you get dirty?
Yeah,
Okay. Alright, let's go. Go, fella.
it's so big.
Hmm?
It's a big bunny.
Is it?
That's it. Come here, it's a big bunny.
Do you want bunny?
Yeah, bunny.
What's the bunny's
The pet?
So the bunny's just
Our name's Cuddles.
and cuddles. And then it's just eating. And what's that
So
bowl?
soft.
Mom, what does this bowl?
That's his food.
What's up with this over there?
Say bye, bunny now.
Hi,
Bye, cuddles.
bye, parrot.
Who's this? Who's this now? Who's this?
Teach me.
This one.
Koi.
Hoi? How about this one?
Chen.
Chen.
And just teach me.
This one.
I don't know his name.
Oh yeah, that's new. This one.
Sula.
This one?
Kathy.
That's right. That one.
Carolina's up there.
That's right. Who's that?
Mama.
Fatma. That one.
Rushni.
Russian. I can't. Russian.
What's his name, that one?
What's her name?
It's Bati. Bati?
Yeah, Patty.
What's this?
This one.
What's his name?
You know her.
Mom, what's his name?
Poo.
Pooh.
Poo.
Pooja.
This one.
That's new to Ken. She doesn't know that.
That's new.
Come on na. Sige na mag-chika. Sige, push. Go.
New.
Wait, there's no fun, Mama.
What is that?
It's so good.
The snow? The snow what? Huh?
There's no wolf here.
There's no wolf.
What?
There's no wolf. Yay! Where's our car na? Be, makabalo ba ba? Ala, pataka!
New car. This is my new car.
What's what? What is it?
It's my new car.
Are you sure that's the one?
This one is mine. This one.
That's not yours.
It's me.
Try this one.
No, this one.
Try this.
Kasi it looks very similar, guys. Akala niya ito daw.
Which one do you want? That one or this one?
Mom. Is
Which
this
one do
my
you want?
car, Mama?
Is this my car,
Mama,
Mama?
this is my car.
Hmm?
Which one's yours?
Hey,
I think this one, ah.
this is
Yeah.
Mommy, that one is my car.
That's their car. See?
Then that's my car.
That's our car, yes.
And this one is that one's mine.
Huh? Yay!
Do you have monies?
No.
Do you have money now?
Mine.
How are we gonna go to the shopping?
There's no money in my bucket. I have a bucket, Mama.
Huh?
I have a bucket.
You have a bucket?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Tito.
Bye.
Do you have money?
Yeah.
Where?
Mom have a money.
I'll see you. I'm trying to the people waiting.
La.
Okay, walk back.
Paarsa ko. Ne, karon pag na siya na arsa.
Baby Paris? Ano? Baby Paris?
No.
Si girl noy.
Baby Paris?
Excited na excited, oh. Paris loves her Tito Ron. We're here. Dito na kami sa shops.
Salamat.
Ano?
Thank you, mamatara ka.
Meaning party. Careful, anak. Can we go bread stop first? I wanna get bread. So hungry. The Buntis is hungry always. Get
Ano
bread.
ba favorite ko? Hotdog.
Anak, careful na. Come this way. Sorry. Thank you.
Wait, tong?
Oh. What, cake?
Yeah, I want the...
For your birthday. Come this way, anak. Anak, hold it properly na. Baby girl, hold it properly. Coconut bun. Can you hold it properly? Careful, huh? Don't drop it, okay?
What's that, Mama?
It's bread.
Mom, it's not cupcake too.
Hmm?
What's cupcake?
Cupcake? We'll have a look if there's the cupcake for you. Show me what you got.
Yeah. It's like a toast.
What have you got?
It's like a toast.
Yay! Ito yung sa akin, guys. Coconut. Yummy.
Wait, what's the bread, Mama?
What is it na?
It's like bread.
Yeah, it is bread.
The bread,
Yeah.
that's yummy one. It's banana cake.
Is it banana cake? Okay. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 8 o'clock ng gabi. And nandito kami sa harapan ng Coco Black. We are having our hot drinks. What are you having?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. And Paris having what's that? Who gave that to you? Did you want? Did you say thank you? Yeah. And then I have another hot chocolate, guys. Ayan, cheers. And then we'll just, share lang kami ni Paris kasi malaki naman to. Ayan na. Ayan na yung napamili namin, guys. Oh, I want to do a haul, pero sobrang, maingay yung music. Baka makapiright tayo. Doon na lang mamaya, oh. Sa kabila. sa kabilang tampi. Sure. Go, anak. Go with Tito Ron.
This Mama. I hold this one.
Okay, go with Tito Ron. Quick. Ayan, maghihiwalay na naman kami, guys. One is just putting tires in the car. Alam nyo, mag-haul sana kami para maipakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung napamili namin. But, ang music ay sobrang dito sa, sa shopping center. So, hindi na namin may papakita to. I'll just do a quick haul mamaya pag uwi namin sa bahay.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, it's now 9 o'clock and nandito na kami sa bahay. Anak, put it down a little bit, nakbi. Because I can't hear. I can't. Noisy, anak. So, ayan, nung nandun kami, guys, kasi na-busy sa, lakad-lakad, tingin-tingin, shopping, ganun. So, hindi kami ng hapunan. Busog naman ako, pero si Daddy Mike, order na lang niya kami ng, fried chicken. Daddy, I have a present for you.
Yeah?
Yes, come, sit down here. So I have something for Daddy Mike. I'm gonna show you what we bought from the shop. Mike, guys, say hi, Daddy. Tingnan niyo outfit ng Daddy Mike, guys. So, baguettes na baguettes. How old are you, Daddy?
Huh?
How old are you?
I'm that old that I don't even count anymore. I actually don't know. I'm 39 this year, I think. Am I 39 or 40? 39.
39, I think. Yeah.
1982.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, so pumunta nga kami ng TK Maxx, diba? I didn't film there kasi yung music, baka makapiright tayo. So, Daddy Mike and I are going to celebrate our 5th anniversary, this 28th.
I was hoping you forgot.
What's the day? Is that Monday? Next Monday?
I don't know what day it is, but I know what day it is because I was thinking about it today.
Yeah. Anyways, then, nung nandun kami sa shop, I found something na I thought would really look good on him. Although I know everything looks good on him because he just makes everything looks good. But yeah, I thought this will be nice for him. Hang on. Binilhan ko pala si Paris ng guys, ng lunchbox niya. Show me the lunchbox at first, babe. Come here na. Show tita your lunchbox.
I'm still eating.
Oh, you're still eating? Okay.
Yeah.
Ayan, dito. I really like it, guys. When I saw it, straight away, I pictured Daddy Mike wearing it. So, that's why I got this one.
G-string?
Just string.
Is that Michael Kors?
Yes.
It doesn't have it on the back, does it?
No.
Okay, great.
It's for that. I know, Bob. I know you. Hang on. Wanna show Tita dito? Wow, this is what we bought for baby Paris, guys.
You want me to try it on, Mummy?
Yes, of course. So, yan yung kanyang lunchbox. She's been talking about it for so long now. Oh, there you go. Where's the water bottle there? Sure, the water bottle as well. That look good on your outfit today.
Hello.
So, ngayon ko na binigay, guys, kasi alam niyo naman, meron pa akong binili, remember? Kung nakita niyo yung, yung previous video ko, meron akong binili online. Tapos, tinago ko, yun yung bibigay ko sa kanya sa araw talaga na yun. Pero kasi gusto kong mag-haul ngayon, tapos andito siya, ipapakita ko na lang, ibibigay ko na lang. So nice. Saan niya, baby? Beth? Ayan. Oh, it fits you well.
It does.
Yeah. So, see, meron siya, nagtanong siya guys kung yung Michael Kors na is sa likod. Kasi ayaw talaga niya ng mga may brand na ganun na kitang-kita. So, alam ko naman yun, of course. So, yung Michael Kors ay nandito lang sa ganyan. Dito sa kanyang unahan para hindi siya masyadong halata talaga. Yan, ito yung sa ilalim. Got pockets in there. So, I got this one kasi hindi siya masyadong makapal. It's not too thick. So, I realized magagamit to niya pag kahit nandun na kami sa Brisbane because you know, there will be nights na cold sa Brisbane, right? You can still wear that. So it's not as, you know, super,
Yeah.
not too thick. You like it?
I love it, Mummy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Like it, Mama?
Meron lang isa nandito, oh. This will keep you warm, Daddy, sa winter.
When you're not around.
When you're not around. Because I know I'll keep you warm.
I get some more things here.
What is it, anak?
There. Like this one.
What is that? Tapos, ipapakita ko pa yung ibang na pamili ko, guys. Ha? Bumili ako ng, what's this?
Yum, yum, yum.
Tita.
Tea towels, yeah. Ayan, super nice. Sobrang ganda ng tela niya, guys. Got this for $13. Kailangan kasi namin sa kitchen. O, diba? Diba maganda siya. So, apat na prints. I like it as well because it's very neutral yung kanyang kulay. Apart from this, meron siyang flamingo na pink. But yeah, it looks good sa kitchen namin. And then, yes, bumili ako nito, guys.
Wow.
Bumili ako nito kasi sobrang laki na ng ating tiyan and I really need something that's very soft and very stretchy. Kaya yun, bumili ako nito. Tatlo siya and for $17. Ayan. I so love TK Maxx kasi sobrang dami nilang magaganda na hindi masyadong mahal ba. And then, itong last na dress, hindi ko sana bibilhin, guys. Pero ang aking bestie Ron was like, you know, you don't have that color yet sa wardrobe mo, ganito, ganyan. And it's really thick and warm for you. Tapos, alam niya na palagi akong nagsasabi na wala na akong mga damit na kumakasya sa akin. Ito pala, yung sinuot ko sa work today, ito yung pinili ko rin sa TK Maxx last week or the other week. Now, $4 lang ito kasi nasa clearance rack. But this one, wala siya sa clearance rack. This is from Paper Heart. I got this one for $30, guys. Pero, masusuot ko naman to siya. Kahit ngayon, tingnan nyo. Kasi stretchy siya. And also, kahit pag mga anak na ako, masusuot ko pa rin siya. So, that's something that I really like, guys, pagdating sa pagbili ng mga damit.
Give me a smaller one because you need that one.
Yung long lasting ba? Yung masusuot ko kahit anong
You have a big
weather and also kahit buntis or not. Ayan. So, yeah, yan yung pinamili ko sa TK Maxx. Sobrang maraming nabili din si bestie ko, guys. Gusto ko nga i-haul kanina para makita nyo rin but unfortunately, yeah, sobrang dami music doon kaya hindi ko maipakita. So, I'll just give you another, dito.
Let me put it on again.
Ayan. Sobrang ganda, guys. MK there, but hindi talaga siya like screaming, brand.
You know what I first
Kasi
seen when I
ayaw
seen the
talaga
MK?
ni.
When I first seen the MK, like literally the MK, you know what I thought it was?
My kitchen rules. Yeah, I know. Ron was looking at this shirt and MK said, what's this? My kitchen rules. No, it's Michael Kors. It's cool. No, I really thought that, you look great on this one, but that's why I bought it.
And I do, don't I?
Sobrang ganda.
Do you know what you'd look good in, Mummy?
Nice.
You know what I think you'd look great in? Besides nothing? You know what I think you'd look great in? 18 karat gold.
Yes, oh, 18 karat gold. Mine all.
Mama's like, Mama's thinking so autistic, you're gonna say, and then she hears 18 karat gold, and I'm like,
Yes.
oh, Mama, look at the purse!
Oh my goodness, that's amazing, Paris. Oh, she's growing, Daddy. She's been eating chicken.
Hey! Yeah.
Anyways, it's fine, guys, na makabili tayo ng ganyan-ganyan. Kasi, alam nyo, as mentioned sa start ng ating video, next week is my last week working. So, I'm going on maternity leave. not knowing kung kailan yung balik ko. Kasi nga, 'di ba? Papakiramdaman ko muna yung buhay na having 2 kids.
Huh?
And
You got
yeah,
rice?
we'll see. But yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's good that I can go on maternity leave, guys. But at the same time, it's not really nice knowing that, you know, wala ka nang sweldo, ganun. Mahirap. Pero ganun talaga, guys. That's how it works here.
Alright, on your marks. Alright, so too fast. You must be like chicken
One. Tapos, may dumating pala. Alam ko na to. Nakalagay hair clip. The other day, may natanggap kami hair clip. Sobrang dami talaga, guys. Kasi binilhan to si Baby Paris. And I know that our little Celine will also wear them one day. So, okay lang na marami akong bilhin na. You've got more hair clips. Where's the other one? The one in the bucket. Go find it in the bedroom. Sobrang cute talaga, guys. Grabe. So, this is the perk of having 2 girls soon. So, magkakaroon na tayo ng 2 girls soon. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh my goodness, come here, babe. Show tita, bring it here. We can put it in here. Show tita and tito. Wow! So, that's full of hair clips. And then, ayan na naman, may bago na naman na naka-add. Yay! Do you like it? Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Did you eat chicken? Good girl, anak. Ayan. See? Iba-iba yung kanyang style. Sobrang cute. Put it here, anak, oh.
Barry, you put this one, Mama.
Put it here. That's so cool.
Look at the all of that.
Yeah, all of it. Ganyan pag babae ang anak, guys, no? Puro pa cute.
Mama,
Wala, natangtang na.
my friend crown.
Crown.
It's sprinkly.
What is it?
Sprinkling.
Oh, pagoy!
What's so small?
Sparkly.
Mommy, this is